Hello everyone. The most generic question that we face in interviews is difference between stored procedure and function. So let's start with the difference. Stored procedures are precompiled objects which are compiled for first time and its compiled format is saved, which execute whenever it is called, whereas functions are compiled and executed every time when it is called. Input or output parameters. Procedures can have input or output parameters, whereas functions can only have input parameters for it. Performance and precompiled. SQL Server compiles each stored procedure once and then reutilize the execution plan. This results into performance boost when stored procedures are called repeatedly. Functions are not precompiled. Performance is a concern in functions. Enhanced security controls. You can grant user permission to execute a stored procedure independently of underlying table permissions, whereas this doesn't hold true for functions. Stored procedures allow select as well as DML, insert, update or delete statement in it, whereas functions allows only select statement in it. Exception handling. Exception can be handled by try-catch block in a stored procedure, whereas in functions try-catch block cannot be used. Transactions. We can go for transaction management in stored procedure, whereas it's not possible in functions. Return value. Stored procedure can return 0 or n values. It's optional, whereas in functions we must return a value. Functions can be called from stored procedures, whereas it's not possible to call a stored procedure from a function. Use of temporary tables. We can use only table variables in stored procedures, whereas temporary tables cannot be used in stored procedures. We can use both table variables or temporary variables in functions. Join clause. Procedures can't be used in join clause, whereas a user-defined function can be used in join clause as a result set. Calling from select statement. Procedures can't be called from select, where, having and so on statements. Execute statement can be used to call or execute stored procedures. Functions can be called from a select statement. That's all about difference between stored procedure and a function. All the best for your interview. Do post your comments below. Thank you.